Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine at your homes. So in today's session, we will solve this last question, question number 6 of this exercise 3.3. See, students' question is too long, so that's why I have not written. So simply I will read the question from the book and what I will explain you here only that what question is saying. So this is the given data that I have to draw. Without this, we cannot solve the question. So I have drawn it. ओके तो आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे और मैं यहाँ पे कैसा ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ आप आराम से समझ सकते हो। ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि ये एक सिटी है। ठीक है, ये सिटी का नेम है और इस सिटी में मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर कितना होता है और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर कितना होता है ये रिकॉर्ड किया गया है। ठीक है, दिस इज टेबल नंबर 3.1 एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर ओनली इट हैज बीन गिवन। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन बोलता है कि इसके अकॉर्डिंग आप एक डबल बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो। ठीक है, तो हम डबल बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे। कैसा करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? जैसा कि पहले कर रहे थे वैसा ही करेंगे, वैसा ही करेंगे। ठीक है, ठीक है, हियर एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस, हियर इट विल बी 0, हियर वी विल राइट सिटीज। ओके, और नेम ऑफ द सिटीज। ठीक है, नाउ along y axis we will write here temperature. What we will write here? Temperature. ठीक है, just a minute. Okay, maximum and minimum temperature has been given 3.1, right? Yes, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. ठीक है, so here first we will distribute or we will write the name of the cities. ठीक है, up to here we will have this much Ahmedabad. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, now this much we will have for Amritsar. See, you will have to manage because I am having very less space. Next we are having Bangalore. Next we are having Chennai. ठीक है, next we are having Delhi. Next we are having Jaipur. Next we are having Jammu. Next we are having Mumbai. ठीक है, ये सिटीज के नेम है स्टूडेंट्स और इनके अगेंस्ट में यहाँ पे हमें टेम्परेचर दिया हुआ है मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर। तो हमने वाई एक्सिस के अगेंस्ट में टेम्परेचर ले लिया, यहाँ पे हमारा ओरिजिन है, और एक्स एक्सिस पे सिटीज के नेम लिखा। अब हमने क्या करना है? डबल बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है। ठीक है, तो अब आता है स्केल हमें कितना लेना चाहिए। ठीक है, नाउ इफ यू विल रीड दिस, इफ यू विल सी दिस, देन हाउ मच इज द मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स? मैक्सिमम इज, here you can see 39. Okay, not more than 41 is there. Okay, so let it be, no problem. So I will take you back to the fourth question. चौथा क्वेश्चन में क्या किया था हमने? So here we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 10 division. So already in 1 centimeter again 10 division were there, so we divided by 10. So 10 by 10 means one small division. I am talking about a small division. ठीक है, एकदम सबसे छोटा जो था उसको 1 मार्क्स मिलता था। सो सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो वी विल डू लाइक दैट ओनली। क्या करेंगे? 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू कितना लेंगे? एट दैट टाइम वी टुक 10 मार्क्स। हियर वी आर हैविंग डिग्री सेल्सियस, दैट इज ऑल टेम्परेचर्स आर गिवन इन डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो हियर 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच स्टूडेंट्स? 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 degree Celsius. Okay, so one small division will come how much? 1 degree Celsius. ठीक है, so here we will have 10, then we will have 20, then we will have 30, then we will have 40, and then we will have 50. We will not go beyond 50 because no such temperature has been given. अब आ जाओ यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेशन में। ठीक है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन में सबसे पहले कितना है? 38 एंड देन 29। 38 कहाँ पे होगा स्टूडेंट्स? देखो यहाँ पे 48 है और एक स्मॉल डिवीजन बाय क्या बताया? 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस। 1 स्मॉल डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो यहाँ पे 40 है, तो 40 के जस्ट 2 नीचे आप आएंगे अगर, इफ यू विल कम डाउन 2 divisions below 40 degree Celsius, then you will get here somewhere 38 degree Celsius. Okay, now next one is 29 degree Celsius. So here if you will come one division below 30, you will get here somewhere 29 degree Celsius. Now this one is maximum temperature, so here write max, and this is minimum temperature, so write here min. Okay, now similarly for Amritsar students 37 and 26, so here in between 30 and 40 here we will have 35. ठीक है, 35 के दो डिवीजन ऊपर जाओगे तो 37 मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं 37 ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ. ये मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर. मिनिमम कितना है स्टूडेंट्स? मिनिमम 26 है इसका. ठीक है, मिनिमम कितना है? सो हियर इज 20, हियर इन बिटवीन 25, between 20 and 30 25, and you have to move one step, one division above 25, then you will get 26. This is max, this is min, that is maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Now Bangalore 28 and 21. Okay, so here if you will come two divisions below 30, then you will get 28. ठीक है, and then how much? 21. Okay, so here if you will go one division above 20, you will get 21. Now again this is max, this is min. Okay, now moving to next Chennai. How much is Chennai? 36 and 27. So how much is Chennai? 36. Here in between 30 and 40 we will have 35, and if you will move one step again, then you will get 36. So here we are having 36. ठीक है. Now after that we are having 27. So here in between 20 and 30 we will have 25, and if you will go two division above 25, then you will get 27 somewhere here. ठीक है. Now similarly again it will be max, it will be min. Okay, now moving to next Delhi. How much is Delhi? 38 and 28. Okay, so here below 40 we will come two steps down, then here we will get 38, and then 28. So below 30 two steps down, here you will get 28. Okay, max, and it is min. Now 39 and 29, so just above this you have to go one more division, then you will get 39. ठीक है. Now next 29, 39 and 29. So here below 30 one division you will get 29, है ना. Here you will get 29. ठीक है. This is max, this is min. ठीक है. Now Jammu, how much? 41 and 26. So where is 40? Here is 40. Just above 40 you will have 41. ठीक है. This is 41. This is max and 26. So 25, and if you will go one above 25 you will get 26. This is minimum temperature. Now Mumbai 32. So here is 32. If you will go two division above, then you will get 32. So here somewhere you will get 32. Okay, now next one is 27. So here is 25 students. If you will go two divisions above 25, you will get 27 somewhere here. Okay, this is minimum, this is maximum. So this was the representation, that is using double bar graph of your this data. Okay, now this question has been followed by some of the segment that I will explain with you, I will discuss with you. Okay, now first segment, which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature on the given data. ठीक है, कौन से सिटी में सबसे ज्यादा जो है वो मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर के बीच में डिफरेंस सबसे ज्यादा किसमें है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे अहमदाबाद, हियर 38 29. सो हाउ मच इज द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस स्टूडेंट्स? इफ यू विल सबट्रैक्ट देम you will get 9, right? Here if you will subtract them you will get 11. ठीक है, here if you will subtract you will get 7. Here you will get 11. Here you are getting 9. Here if you will subtract, you will get 7. Here if you are subtracting, then you are getting 9 again. Then here if you are subtracting, then you are getting 10. Here if you are subtracting, then getting 10. Okay, and then if you are subtracting here, then you are getting 4, 11, and if you are subtracting here, then you are getting 5. Okay, now you can decide very easily, students. Here 15, not 11. Okay, here we are getting 15 because 4 and 11. So 11 and 4, you will get 15. Now you can see very easily, students, that where temperature difference is more. So here that is 15 in between Jammu. So in Jammu, the difference between maximum and minimum temperature is very large. Okay. Now next segment is asking you which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city. So which is the hottest city, students? Hottest city is Jammu only. Why? Because it is having very high temperature. जितना टेम्परेचर होता है उतना ही उस सिटी का, उस जगह का जो है वो गर्मी उतना ही ज़्यादा होता है। ठीक है, जितना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होता है उतना ही गर्मी वहाँ पे ज़्यादा पड़ती है। ठीक है, अब सबसे टेम्परेचर कम कहाँ पे है स्टूडेंट्स, वो देखेंगे हम। ठीक है, I think it is 21 degrees Celsius in Bangalore, right? So what will be the coldest place? Bangalore. ठीक है, now next third segment is, students, name 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. So it is, we will see here what we have to find. We have to see that maximum temperature of one city should be less than the minimum temperature of another. So here, see, here we are having Bangalore. Here its maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. But if you will see the Jaipur's minimum temperature, then its minimum temperature is greater than Bangalore's maximum temperature. Okay. Now next we have to find out 2 cities whose maximum temperature. What it is saying? You have to find out 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature. See, एक का मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर जो है वो दूसरे के मिनिमम टेम्परेचर से कम होना चाहिए, ऐसे 2 शहरों का नाम बताना है। ओके, सो हियर वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट, स्टूडेंट्स। सी हियर वी आर हैविंग लेस टेम्परेचर, वेयर इज इट? हियर Bangalore 28 डिग्री। ओके, मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर हियर वी आर हैविंग and this Jaipur. Okay, so if you will see, its maximum temperature is even more than the minimum temperature of Jaipur. So which are the two cities, students? Bangalore and Jaipur. Okay, now moving to next segment, students. Here name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. So we have already found out here the temperature difference. So here, from here you can calculate, and I think which one is the least number, students? It is 5. And which one is the city? So it's Mumbai. It's Mumbai. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood this question. So thank you for connecting with me.